Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to go over a concept of find a percentage of a number. Okay, I have four examples here that we're going to work through. You're going to use two different methods. One method is called the percent formula, and the other method is percent proportion. Okay, so the first two we're going to use the percent formula. Um, when we try to figure out the percentage of 45, okay, you're going to be asked to use the percent formula to find each percentage, rename the percent as a decimal or fraction. Right here, the word of, that's the same way of saying multiplication, okay, or times or multiply. So this is really just saying 40% times 45. So how we go about it is like this, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break the percentage down. All percentages over 100, so we're going to automatically put this over 100 and we're going to divide. Okay, so you're going to divide 40 divided by 100 and you should get 0.4. After you get 0.4, you're going to bring the of, which is, remember, multiplication, okay, times 45. So then you're going to simply go 40.4. I know this looks pretty bad right here. Hold on, let me fix it. You're going to go 0.4 times 45, and your answer is going to be 18. Okay. Once you get this answer right here, then you can finish the problem by using the rest of what it's saying to you. Okay. So the next one, we'll do another one. 3% out of 100. Okay. And then we're going to divide 3 divided by 100, which should give us 0.03. And then we're going to multiply it by 80. Okay. Once we do that, once we go 0.03 times 80, we should get an answer of 2.4. Okay, make sure you carry your decimal correctly. All right. So that was solving. That was method one, using a percentage formula. Now we're going to use method two, percent of proportion. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing we did up here with our percentage over 100. We're going to take the 60, put it over 100. Okay, the only difference is we're not going to divide. We're going to multiply using the cross product rule. So you're going to take your problem, 60 over 100, equals x, or whatever variable you want to use, over 40. All right, and just like the time before, we're going to use the cross product rule. Some might call it the butterfly rule. Okay, we're going to multiply across this way, and then we're going to multiply across this way. Okay, so we should have 100 x equals 2400. And then we're going to solve for x. I'm going to put over itself, 100 divided by 100. So it can cross out. We do it on one side, got to do it on the other. And now we have x equals 24. There is your answer. Okay. Same thing from here. Okay, now you see it's a little different because we have a number higher than 100. Okay, you're still going to put over 100. Okay, and you're going to divide that. I'm assuming you're not going to divide that like you did up here, okay? You're going to put it all out again. So we're going to go 115. I'll write a little smaller so I can fit. Equals x over 90. And then we're going to multiply across, okay? So get some more room for us. So you're going to have 100x equals 15, 10, 3, 5, 0. Okay? And just like how we did up in this, we're going to solve for the variable. Put it over 100. So we can cancel that out. Now we have 1,350 divided by 100. X will now equal 103.5. Okay, so method 1, you're going to use the percent formula. Method 2, you're going to use the percent proportions. Okay, and that's how you find a percentage of a number.